Class, today we will learn about word classes. So we know that words are made up of letters and each word has some meaning. Now group of letters that has no meaning is not a word. We also know that sentences are made up of words, that is meaningful words. The words of a sentence join together to give complete sense to the sentence. The meaning of these different words add up to make the sentence meaningful, and it is able to express a complete thought. Clearly, each word in a sentence plays its role to help the sentence express its sense. Different words do different job in a sentence, and according to these jobs, words have been classified into 9 categories. So here it is saying that each sentence is made up of words and each word are made up of letter. So when a letter does not make any sense, when a group of letter does not make any sense, it is not a word. And when a group of word does not make sense, it is not a sentence. So there are different jobs of there are various jobs. So clearly each word in a sentence plays a role, and depending on their job, they are classified into 9 categories. These are noun, pronoun, determiners, adjectives, verbs, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjunction. First we will see noun. A noun is anything that is the name of a place, person, or thing. For example, Mother Teresa was an angel of mercy. Here the nouns are Mother Teresa, angel of mercy. This thing includes all the objects that we can see, hear, touch, or smell. Something that can only think of but cannot hear, taste, or touch. Next is pronoun. Pronoun is also known as the friend of noun. A pronoun is used instead of noun to avoid its repetition. For example, good morning, Mr. Hari. How are you, Mr. Hari? So instead of repeating Mr. Hari again and again, we use good morning, Mr. Hari. How are you? Next is determiners. Determiners are words that decides or limit or determine a noun that follows. They are small words used before nouns to tell you which one, how many, or whose, etc. All living beings are mortal. In this, the words all, the, 50, these are determiners. Understood? Now we will move to what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that adds meaning of a noun or pronoun. For example, we can say he is a man. So now we are adding honest. So honest is telling the quality of the noun, which means it is adding meaning to the noun. Thus, he is an honest man. Verbs. A verb is a word that states action, fact, or happening. So in this sentence, the teacher wrote a question on the board. So what is happening here? The action is writing a question, that is wrote. Similarly, he is a tall boy. So here we are stating a fact, and happening is a rose gives sweet smell. Here the rose is giving out a sweet smell, so gives is a verb. Now adverb. Now an adverb is a word that adds meaning of a verb or adjective or another adverb. He wrote neatly. So how did he wrote? He wrote neatly. So he is giving a meaning to the verb. Here verb is wrote, the action. So he is giving a meaning to the verb, that is neatly. Now preposition. Preposition takes up as a position before something. A word that is used before a noun or pronoun, it shows its relationship with some other noun or pronoun. For example, there are many varieties of flowers in our garden. So here it is joining two nouns, that is flower and garden. Conjunction. It is used, conjunction means joining together. When two words are used to join, then that word is called, when two words, phrases, or sentences are joined, that word is known as conjunction. Leaves and flowers grow on trees. Here we are joining two sentences here we are joining one word to another sentence, that is and. Interjunction. The word words thrown into speech. That is, it is used to show sudden feelings such as joy. Alas, he is dead. So here the word alas is showing an emotion. That is an interjunction. So depending on that, we will now complete a worksheet.